If your house constantly feels cluttered, messy, unorganized, or way harder to clean than it should be, these Amazon finds are about to make your life a whole lot easier. Some of these gadgets can instantly save space, hide mess, organize chaos, speed up cleaning, and completely upgrade the way your home functions without spending crazy money. From insanely satisfying organizers and smart storage upgrades to cleaning tools that honestly feel overpowered. And every product link is waiting for you down in the description below. Let's jump in. Opening the lineup with this rolling TV stand, one of the smartest upgrades for modern bedrooms and entertainment setups. Unlike fixed wall mounts, this lets you move your screen wherever you want, whether that's near your couch, workspace, or bed. Those built-in shelves also help organize gaming consoles, speakers, remotes, and streaming devices without creating clutter. It saves space while making your setup look cleaner and more premium overall. Plus, this works especially well for apartments and compact rooms. And this usually sells for around $40 to $80. Right after that, this floating nightstand adds a super clean and modern vibe while freeing up valuable floor space at the same time. Instead of bulky bedside tables making rooms feel cramped, this setup keeps everything minimal and organized. It's perfect for storing phones, books, glasses, chargers, remotes, and nighttime essentials without creating visual clutter. This wall-mounted design also makes cleaning underneath way easier compared to traditional furniture. Besides functionality, this instantly upgrades bedrooms with a sleek hotel-style appearance. And this normally costs around $40 to $90. Moving forward, this under-sink organizer is seriously useful for anyone constantly dealing with messy cabinets and wasted storage space. Those sliding drawers make grabbing cleaning supplies, soaps, skincare products, and extra items far easier without digging through clutter. It especially works great for tight spaces where regular shelves barely fit properly. This multi-tier setup also helps maximize vertical storage, so every inch underneath your sink gets used better. Besides organization, this instantly makes kitchens and bathrooms look cleaner and less chaotic overall, and this is usually priced around $25 to $45. Up next, these drawer dividers instantly make messy drawers look way more organized and satisfying. Instead of everything sliding around whenever you open a drawer, this setup neatly separates clothes, makeup, office supplies, kitchen tools, or accessories into dedicated sections. This adjustable design also fits different drawer sizes without needing complicated installation. It's one of those small upgrades that genuinely makes everyday life feel less stressful because everything becomes easier to find. And these normally cost around $15 to $30. For keeping things organized, this expandable shoe rack is perfect for closets, entryways, hallways, garages, and apartments where shoes constantly create clutter. This adjustable design lets you expand or stack multiple racks depending on how much storage you need, making it far more flexible than standard shoe shelves. It helps keep sneakers, boots, sandals, and everyday footwear neatly organized while saving valuable floor space. Besides functionality, this metal frame also gives everything a cleaner and more structured appearance overall, and this usually sells for around $30 to $50. Up next, these sheet organizers make linen closets look unbelievably satisfying and organized. Instead of messy folded bedding constantly collapsing, this setup keeps complete sheet sets compact, clean, and easy to grab whenever needed. Those label windows also help identify different bedding sizes without digging through piles of fabric. It's one of those simple upgrades that instantly makes your home feel way more put together. Plus, neatly organized bedding always gives closets a cleaner and more premium appearance overall, and these usually cost around $25 to $40. Sliding into something practical, this retractable clothesline is perfect for apartments, balconies, laundry rooms, and compact living spaces. Whenever you need extra drying space, this line extends instantly, then retracts neatly when not in use so it doesn't create clutter. It works great for wet clothes, towels, swimsuits, delicates, and lightweight laundry without needing bulky drying racks taking over your room. This wall-mounted design also helps maximize smaller spaces while keeping everything functional and organized. And this normally sells for around $20 to $45. Moving ahead, this drill brush attachment set turns almost any power drill into a heavy-duty cleaning machine. Instead of scrubbing surfaces manually for hours, these rotating brushes help clean bathrooms, tiles, sinks, bathtubs, wheels, carpets, kitchen floors, and stubborn grime way faster. Those different brush shapes also help reach tight corners and difficult surfaces more effectively. It's one of those tools that saves both effort and cleaning time while delivering satisfying results. And this set usually costs around $18 to $35. Meanwhile, this automatic grill cleaning robot feels like something straight out of the future. Instead of standing there scrubbing greasy grill grates yourself, this smart little device moves around automatically cleaning burnt residue, grease, and stubborn buildup for you. It especially works great after barbecues, cookouts, and outdoor parties when cleaning normally becomes annoying. This saves both time and effort while helping keep your grill ready for the next cookout, and this usually sells for around $90 to $130. Moving forward, this electric fondue pot set instantly makes parties, date nights, and family gatherings feel more interactive and entertaining. Whether you're melting chocolate for desserts or preparing cheese fondue for snacks, this setup keeps everything warm and ready to serve without constant reheating. Those divided trays also help organize fruits, marshmallows, bread, pretzels, and dipping ingredients neatly. Besides functionality, this creates a cozy restaurant-style experience right at home, and this normally costs around $40 to $80. And hey, if any of these caught your attention, every product link is waiting for you right down in the description below. Now, taking things outdoors, this 5-in-1 grill spatula is way more than just a basic cooking tool. This combines a spatula, knife, bottle opener, tenderizer, and serrated edge all into one heavy-duty setup, making grilling far more convenient during cookouts and barbecues. It especially helps reduce clutter because you don't need multiple tools scattered around your grill station anymore. This stainless steel design also feels durable and premium while handling burgers, steaks, chicken, and vegetables easily, and this usually sells for around $25 to $50. After that, this dish brush with a built-in soap dispenser makes everyday kitchen cleaning way faster and less annoying. Instead of constantly grabbing soap bottles while washing dishes, this automatically releases soap directly through the brush whenever needed. It works especially well for plates, pans, bowls, cups, and greasy cookware after meals. This ergonomic handle also feels comfortable while helping reduce mess around your sink area. It's one of those simple upgrades that surprisingly makes daily cleaning feel much smoother overall, and this normally costs around $10 to $20. Coming up next, this mini foldable sponge mop is perfect for cleaning tight spaces where regular mops barely fit properly. This compact design works great for countertops, desks, windows, bathroom corners, kitchen surfaces, mirrors, and smaller apartment spaces without taking up much storage. Those absorbent sponge heads also help clean wet spills and dust quickly while squeezing out water super easily. It's lightweight, portable, and surprisingly satisfying to use during quick cleanups. Plus, this folds down neatly for storage when not being used, and this usually sells for around $15 to $30. Now let's talk about this fat separator. Helps remove grease and oil from soups, gravies, broths, and meat drippings far more efficiently while keeping flavors rich and balanced. This bottom release design allows cleaner liquid to pour directly out first while fat stays separated at the top. It especially works great during holiday cooking, meal prep, and homemade recipes where excess grease becomes a problem. Besides functionality, this also helps make meals feel cleaner and more professional overall, and this normally costs around $18 to $35. For pet owners, this next product is seriously satisfying because this pet hair removal glove helps collect loose fur while gently grooming your pets at the same time. Instead of struggling with brushes that pets usually hate, this glove feels more like petting while still removing tons of hair from cats and dogs easily. It works especially well during shedding season when fur somehow ends up everywhere around the house. This flexible design also helps reach difficult areas more comfortably. Plus, cleanup becomes super easy once grooming is finished, and this usually sells for around $10 to $25. Rolling forward, this non-slip bathtub mat adds extra safety while making bathrooms feel more secure and comfortable overall. Those textured surfaces help reduce slipping during showers or baths, especially for kids, elderly family members, and anyone worried about wet floors. This suction cup design also helps keep the mat firmly in place without constantly shifting around. Besides safety, this adds a cleaner and more organized appearance to bathtubs while making daily routines feel more comfortable. And this normally costs around $15 to $35. Continuing on, this self-adhesive towel bar adds useful storage without needing drilling or complicated installation. This works great for bathrooms, kitchens, apartments, and rental spaces where permanent hardware becomes difficult to install. It helps keep towels, washcloths, robes, and accessories organized while freeing up counter space at the same time. This sleek design also gives walls a cleaner and more modern appearance overall. Plus, installation only takes a few minutes compared to traditional mounted towel bars, and this usually sells for around $15 to $30. Now let's talk about this 2-in-1 toilet plunger and brush set. It keeps bathroom cleaning tools organized while looking far cleaner than traditional setups. Instead of separate messy tools sitting exposed beside your toilet, this compact holder keeps both items stored neatly together. This heavy-duty plunger also handles clogs effectively, while the brush helps clean hard-to-reach areas inside the bowl. Besides functionality, this setup gives bathrooms a much cleaner and less cluttered appearance overall, and this normally costs around $20 to $40. Heading forward, this document organizer is perfect for keeping paperwork, folders, mail, files, notebooks, and important documents neatly arranged instead of piled everywhere. Those multiple compartments help separate categories more efficiently while keeping everything easier to access during work or daily tasks. It especially works great for desks, study rooms, offices, and productivity setups where clutter builds up quickly. Besides organization, this also gives your workspace a cleaner and more professional appearance overall, and this usually sells for around $20 to $45. And finally, wrapping up the lineup with this pan scraper, and it is one of those tiny kitchen tools that ends up being surprisingly useful every single day. This helps remove stuck food, burnt residue, grease, and stubborn buildup from cookware far more effectively without damaging non-stick surfaces. It works especially well for cast iron pans, baking trays, grills, and heavy-duty cookware where regular sponges struggle badly. This compact design also makes it easy to store almost anywhere inside your kitchen, and this normally costs around $8 to $15. And that wraps up some of the smartest Amazon home gadgets and organization upgrades that can seriously make your space cleaner, more organized, and way easier to manage every day. If you want to check any of them out, every product link is waiting for you down in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insanely useful Amazon finds and smart home upgrades coming very soon.